not receiving phone calls on your iPhone, this setting might be the reason. Now, go to the settings on your iPhone, then scroll down and tap Apps in the very bottom of this page. Now, find and tap Phone. Scroll down until you see Silence Unknown Callers. If this setting is on, turn it off. Here is why this matters. When Silence Unknown Callers is enabled, your iPhone automatically silences calls from numbers that are not saved in your contacts. So even if it is like an important call from a friend, family member, work, delivery driver, or anyone not saved on your phone, the call may not ring normally. Instead, it gets silenced and sent to recent calls or voicemail. A lot of people accidentally turn this feature on and then wonder why they are like missing calls. So if your phone, or we can say iPhone, is not receiving calls properly, this is one of the first settings you should check. Once you turn it off, your iPhone will ring normally for all incoming calls again. Don't forget to like the video if this helped and follow for more iPhone fixes, tips, and hidden settings.